Hello everyone, today I'm doing a healthy mukbang from Tazakis. I got a Greek salad with grilled shrimp, and I also ordered a chicken sandwich for my son with basmati rice and chips. It comes with soft pita. Oh no, this isn't the pita. This is the pita. They put the Greek dressing on the side, and they also put the shrimp and foil on the side as well. So you can see the grilled shrimp. There's my fork, puppy. They didn't give us a fork. I'm starving, it's raining, so we're gonna just do this mukbang in the car. So Tazakis is all over. Well, there's a few here in North Carolina, but I like the fact that their food is light and it's fresh, and thank you. It just tastes delish. So here's another look at the food. We're gonna just add this. Oh, this is the chicken sandwich. That's what the chicken sandwich looks like. It comes topped with red onions that are like sauteed, and it's really good. So I'm gonna add the shrimp to my salad, and then just add a little bit of the dressing. I normally like to use apple cider vinegar as my dressing, but they sell a balsamic vinaigrette and Greek dressing, and I think I went with Greek today. Where's the trash bag? I don't want this in the car. Thank you. And I'm gonna drink some just water. So this one is infused with organic lemon. Yeah, organic lemon infused spring water. They sell this at Whole Foods, but I just bought this at CVS. It was on sale, 2 for $2. So I bought a few of those. We gotta stack up because they're saying that we're gonna rack up. Oh yeah, my son showed me that this packaging, this the bottle is recyclable. You can recycle this bottle. So yeah, I was saying that we have to start to stock up on food at home because the governor might shut our state down again due to...
You like it? It's alright. I don't feel like that.
I don't have any business eating carbs, but I just ate a little bit of my son's food. So we'll use one of the dressings. They gave me 2, but I'm just gonna use one. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, the governor might shut down our state again. Who knows? Because the numbers keep increasing, the cases. So, we need to rack up, stack up on food and groceries so we can stay in the house and cook at home. But for today, we're eating in the car in the rain, so I don't feel like cooking. And I did go to the gym today and work out, and I needed some energy. I felt like totally out of it. So I had to make sure that I eat something before going to the gym. Especially if I go late, like in the afternoon or in the evening, because I need the energy to keep moving. So this is my first real meal for the day, and it's pretty good. It comes with lettuce, cucumbers, peppers, fresh red onions, tomatoes, little plum tomatoes, and a little bit of feta cheese. Sometimes I go without the feta because I don't really need to eat cheese. But yeah, this is my meal. A healthy grilled shrimp salad. I'm gonna probably finish it when I get in the house, but I need to have a little bit of something right now to like pull me over. Because this location is pretty far from my house. Not that far, but a good little ride away from home. So gotta get my eat on from now. We gotta eat a little something. We'll call it a day. So I hope you guys try out Tazakis. It's spelled Taziki. I'll put the website down below so you can check it out if it's in your hometown or in your neighborhood and see if you like it. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you soon. Bye.